Today we're going to teach you how to awaken your inner power with nature. What you got to do is you got to get your couple dogs and go out into nature and see what kind of inner power you can awaken. If you're not going out into nature, taking a walk, get out into nature and take a walk. You guys gonna bug that little squirrel every day? Every day you run as fast as you can up here, and the poor little thing runs under that rock. Scooches into it. If they could get in there, they could. They would. Dogs and squirrels. This is what happens. I think they're possessed by an evil squirrel. See, he's calling to you. He's saying, "Leave me alone."
Be very, very quiet. It's okay.
All right, come on, guys. This way, Scooch. This way.
Scooch, come on.
Come on. You're never going to get that squirrel.